Here is the 2013 Kohler Highline on flushometer, and I'm here with BTR Plumbing.
Hey guys, got it all set up on the flushometer, so now we're gonna do flush.
This one came from a hotel. Don't remember the name exactly, but they replaced it for a different color. Not sure what color they put in, but I'd be interested to find out. Oops. Nice and swirly. Much better than the pressure lights.
By far.
If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe and turn on notifications. It helps my channel a lot and I really appreciate it.
We'll see y'all soon.
Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.